Hi. Well, we're having a good day today. The sun is shining. It's about 70 degrees, 80 degrees. I'm having a good day speaking wise. So I thought I'd make a quick video or resuscitate an old one. Anyway, what we've got today is a blast from the past, 2012. I made this with little Al and myself. We went round and interviewed quite a few tourists and finished up at Oscar's Bar getting tiddled, of course. And actually, speaking of Oscar's Bar, you can find me down there most days. Vangelis, the barman, the manager, he knows when I'm going to be there. And a big thank you to Sue and Baz for bringing me those Yorkshire tea bags. I can't get a decent cup of tea over here for 35, 40 years, but now I can. Thank you so much, nice to have a drink with you in Oscars. Anyway, enjoy the video. I think it's an interesting one and well worth looking at. See you again soon. Bye for now.
Creep around a little bit, asking tourists why they've been here. This is an idea from some tourist people who we met here on holiday who've seen our films. So I hope you have a laugh with this. We've had a good laugh.
Hello mate, how you doing?
Who, me?
Yeah, you might have a chat with you for 5 minutes.
You can do, yeah, no problem.
You know my father, don't you? Little Al.
Little Al. I'm his grandfather, actually.
You better be on the film. What's your name?
It's Reg.
Reg. Are you here on your own, Reg?
No, I'm with the wife.
How many years have you been coming out?
What's Corfu?
Corfu, yeah.
Yeah, about over 25 years now.
Why do you keep doing it?
Well, we love the people. We live the way of life. We've done most of the islands, you know.
Yeah.
Paxos and Paxos.
Oh.
And then we ended up at Akaravi.
And
I think we've been going to Akaravi now for, what, must be 15, no, get it wrong, about 10, 12 years.
Bloody fantastic.
Yeah.
I've been out here a few years myself, and I'll tell you, personally, I just love the place. What mostly turns you on though? I mean, we know about the people, we know about the drink, what else turns you on? About the Akaravi, that is.
Well, Akaravi, if you like a drink, you can come out and, in fact, if you come out with a wife, she can go shopping and be as safe as hell, no problem.
Yeah.
Late at night, she's safe. We can come out and we can have a drink, have a meal, mix with all the different nationalities here, and we're like one big family.
And tell me something, where do you normally stay when you're over here? We
have a house in Akaravi.
You bought a house?
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. So you're more of a traveller, or semi-expat than a tourist?
Backwards and forwards.
I don't know if we can use him. Do you reckon we can use him? I mean, if he's an expat, no, I don't want to film expats.
He comes backwards and forwards, so he's like that.
He's a traveller.
No, that fella, he passed away a couple of weeks ago.
Well, he was always coming.
No, he wrote the song, didn't he?
What song?
Well, the Okie Kokie.
Let's go back. I'm going back to Reg.
The Okie Kokie is in, out.
That's why they couldn't bury him, because he couldn't put his left leg in.
Right, yeah.
I'm going to stick with Reg here. I'm going to stick with Reg.
Well, you stick with Reg.
So, you've obviously noticed any difference? Have you noticed any difference since the austerity measures?
Not really, no.
Everyone's still drunk, aren't they?
It's original way of life. They obviously haven't got the money, you know.
No.
Athens takes all the money off them, and they don't get a lot of cash here to do what I think they want to do.
Yeah.
So,
Personally, I think Germany could loosen the purse strings a little bit, didn't you? They could help them out a little bit.
Do you mind me saying? The other thing is they've got nice shops here for the women as well. For the girls.
Well, they sell. That's nice. And also we've got 5 supermarkets in Akaravi.
Bars, shops for the ladies, beach for the kids. you know.
Beautiful. What more do you need?
Everything for the family.
Excellent. So you're going to keep coming?
Most certainly, yeah.
Well, Reg,
I'm meeting you two as being the pinnacle.
Actually,
well,
Reg,
mostly they say it's a toilet.
if I was you,
For the idea,
Yeah.
and I promise you'll get full credit for it when we get the hate mail. There we go. All right, my friend. You're looking well. I'm trying to remember the name of this bar, this little Cafe Neon. What do you call it?
Mascalia bar.
There you go, it's a Mascalia bar.
Yeah.
I bet your name's Spiro. What a good guess, eh? This is in the back streets of Akerari, and it's a very nice, inexpensive little place, very friendly reception.
Everybody welcome.
Everybody welcome. Hello, Mel, mate, how are you doing?
I'm all right, mate.
Hey, what's your name?
Neil.
Neil, where you from, Neil?
Stoke-on-Trent.
You know my friend Little Al, don't you?
Yeah. Seen him around.
Yeah.
it's Neil from Stoke-on-Trent.
It's who?
Neil, you know Neil.
No. It's not kneeling, he's laying on the sunbed.
Neil.
Get on with it.
Yeah, I've got the script here. How many years have you been coming out?
I've only been coming here 3, but since the first time I came, I can't not come back. Lovely place.
See, he's been drinking so much today.
Yeah,
this is a
I've
typical
seen-
Two Allens video film, this is.
I saw him earlier on. I saw him last night as well.
Why do you keep coming back?
Such a lovely place. The people are that friendly. Brilliant.
Really?
Really look after you. Well, apart from Al here.
You've actually met some friendly people here?
Yeah.
My God. I mean, what do you say to So what do you like about the place, apart from the friendly people?
Food's nice. And
Cheap?
Food's lovely. And the ale isn't that expensive either. It's a lot cheaper than this where I'm.
What, the air?
The ale.
Oh, the ale.
Yeah.
Sorry. So you'll be coming back again then?
Definitely.
Yeah. What do you want to say? Do you notice anything different now this year against other years when you've been? Since Corfu's had its little troubles, or Greece I should say.
Well, I've noticed nothing. Everybody's the same here. It's because we're on an island. It's totally detached from Athens and stuff. That's where all the trouble is. And
Well,
I don't think there's any trouble there really.
There isn't any more, absolutely correct. What do you say, Little Al? Neil, it's good to see you here.
It's nice to
Don't
be
worry,
here.
it'll be edited.
Oh yes, it'll be edited. All right, say hello, darling, quickly. Hello. There you go.
Julie. Ah, not Julie, and not, is it really? My first girlfriend was called Julie. I loved her, nonsense.
That's why he hasn't got her now, she's worn out. All right, thanks Neil, we'll see you a bit later on, mate.
Cheers, Al.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Nice to see you.
See you.
He was a nice bloke, don't you? Oh,
Well, we're down here in Sam's Bar, or Brandy's Snack Shop, on Road of Seafront, and we're going to have a chat.
I can't help it, Alan. Yo, look.
Have you got something to say to these lovely people?
Look, what lovely people?
What lovely people?
What, where? He's from somewhere.
Aren't you? Well, I'd ask him. You don't even know his name.
I'm going to ask him in a minute.
Kevin.
Kevin.
From Newcastle.
Kevin from
Well,
Wallsend.
And
And his lady. And look at her. Oh, Debbie with a glass.
can't keep your hands off the women, can you?
It's not my
You
fault.
wait, your missus
Look at
sees
that.
this.
My missus will go crazy.
So,
Look, don't you start. I've had enough with you.
so Kev, where you from in England?
Wallsend.
Wallsend, where's that? Newcastle?
Yeah,
North.
Newcastle. North.
And how many years have you been coming over
Around
here?
about 9 years.
9. And you as well, darling?
Yes, yes,
Oh, that's not too bad, is it? What keeps you coming back here then?
the people.
What?
Very friendly people. They remember you and all that. They take you in
Yeah?
into their families, which came into Nicholas's and very well with them.
What
Now
bar?
we stayed at
Yeah.
some hotel now, same hotel.
Always the
Go back
same?
to the Road Oasis.
So you're a bit like family there now?
Oh well, they treat you like family.
They do, yeah, I know. And what do you think about the prices of drinks in the local bars?
Well, if you get different prices all over, you pay for what you want.
Well, do you reckon it's more expensive than
Certain places are, which when you're on holiday, you're enjoying it.
you bring your dough and you spend it?
That's it.
Do you agree with that, sweetheart?
Yeah.
When I say sweetheart, by the way, I'm speaking to the lady, not the puff.
Yeah.
You
We
do.
know what it costs here, so and we enjoy coming so far.
Do you only come once a year?
Have you ever
Yeah.
heard?
I've been
We
twice.
have been twice in 1 year.
Have you?
Yeah.
Why? Because you liked it the first time? Or?
Well,
No,
we
it
used
was
to,
in the actually it was only a few years ago. We just had a few days,
I
like
love-
a
I
week
love
off
that.
so
I love that.
Spain.
Just,
So-
we came across just a few years ago because we liked it here.
Well, we brought
I didn't know we get
The daughter came out with us last year.
and
And we didn't think she'd like it
enjoy it because
because
it
we
being
thought
so
it would
quiet.
be too quiet for her. But
She's
she's
coming back
coming
Monday,
again.
well. She's coming to Jam on Monday. You know, she's 27 and she's thought it was.
Has she got
such
long
good.
legs? And
No, she's a little
No, she's a
dwarf.
little. You can't say that about
I don't know,
me.
fancy that. That's why we call him Little Al. He's only into little women. Right. And what's this bar called again?
This is a brandy shop.
Oh, the brandy shop on the seafront in Roden, isn't it?
the roundy shop.
Not the brandy shop, you said the brandy shop. Do we should listen, you cloth-eared old git. God,
I can't understand you, Bruce.
I'm going to have to edit this, you know that, don't you?
Sorry.
Anyway, thanks for having a chat with us. And keep on coming back and showing the flag.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And thank you, darling. And you can go back to your drink. Clear off. Oh yes, everything there. Ding, ding, dong. The Albanians have come to take us. Look at the curry. Hello, Willie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Willie. Happy birthday to you. He's got. Oh, he's got his zipper. I like the view. Another outtake. You're on holiday, are you?
Yeah, we are.
We're making a little film for YouTube of what tourists think of Corfu and why you keep coming. Yeah? So, can I ask you what your names are?
Yvonne?
Yvonne and
Walter.
Walter. Yes. Not Volta or Vina or Vinny.
Oh, no.
Really?
Okay. Can I ask where you come from?
Holland.
Holland.
I'm from Yorkshire.
It's almost close, isn't it? It's a bit of an international meeting because I'm Alan from England. I live here. Basically, how many years have you been coming to Akrami for holidays?
Since 1988.
88? That's not unusual, the same.
But the last 3 years I was here.
And what do you think of it as the last 3 years?
I love it, I like it, and I want to come back.
I am speaking about the holiday coming here, not anything else.
No.
No, okay, I'm just sure.
No, we are sure. It's not only the holiday.
Why do you keep coming back?
Why I come back? I think it's a nice country. I love the people here. I love the food here, and
You
it's
love
a
the
beautiful
animals?
atmosphere.
Do you think the drinks are cheap
Yes, of course.
compared to where you come from
Yeah.
normally?
Yes, yes, of course. It's cheaper than home.
So you're alcoholics?
Of course.
Well,
That's
I
a
am,
stupid
don't I?
question.
And tell me something, in the 23 years you said, Walter? You've been coming, or 20
Yes,
years?
yes, 20 years.
Have you noticed, because you know Corfu and Greece has had its troubles for the last year, have you noticed any difference this year against when you came here other years? Has it been more expensive or anything?
On this place, no. I don't feel like they have trouble. They are all times friendly. You get all what you need. So I don't can say they have problems. I know it from the news, but I don't see it here. No, nothing.
And of course you'll go along with it, aren't you?
Yeah, and I think the media makes it always a little bit worse as it is.
Yes. Well, it does actually. Because if you've seen any of our other films, is it safe to come to Corfu for holidays? Then you know, because we have made a good film about it. Thanks for talking to us. Have a lovely
pleasure.
holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
As you're only drinking water, with 2 hours, we'd like to buy you a glass of water.
Very nice, thank you. It's not so expensive.
Thank you very much. Well, that was our little offering for the interviews in Corfu. Come and join us over here. We don't have problems. It's cheap. Cheap houses if you want to buy a house. Come and see us. Come and have a laugh. So from Little Al and me, Big Al, thanks for joining us. Cheers.